Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable disable keyboard sound on Samsung M55s. First of all, open the settings app and scroll down, select sounds and vibration, and from here you can see option system sound. Click on this, and from here you can see option Samsung keyboard. So if you want to disable keyboard sound, then click on this, and if you want to enable keyboard sound, then again click on this. By applying this method, you can easily enable disable keyboard sound on Samsung M55s. Hope so you like this video. Thanks for watching.